Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hello, my name's Janessa and I like to do nail tutorials. I try and bring you at least 2 videos every single week, either being a fun nail tutorial or a polygel unboxing. If that sounds like something that you're into, then please consider subscribing. But today we're going to be reviewing the new Tomicca Polygel kit. Tomicca? I think that's how you say it. Tomicca? Tomicca. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, this brand was kind enough to send me this kit. This is the first time that I'm going to be trying them. So if you would like to stick around and see what I end up doing, then please keep watching. Bye. Alright, so you can get this kit off Amazon, of course, if you'd like to purchase it. Thank you so much, Tomicca, for sending me this kit. We're going to first start off with this 2-in-1 UV LED lamp this kit comes with. I used this in the tutorial and I loved it. It was really strong, it was really powerful. They do not mess around with this lamp. It has a 24 and a 48 watt button you can push. Has the bottom, which is magnetic, and then the regular little plug-in that all of the lamps come with. And then you can just push that button to change the wattage, and then you can put your hand in and out for the sensor. So here's the kit. We're going to start off with the instruction guide, which of course you can pause if you'd like to read. And then after that, we're going to start off with a nice pack of dual forms. These ones were very nice and big. Look at their slip solution. It came in like a little twisty bottle. We have a 150-240 nail grit file, a standard nail brush and spatula, another file, just a standard 100-180 grit, and then a cuticle pusher. And then the top coat and base coat are right there. So let's do some swatches. These polygels were really awesome to work with. This was my first time working with this brand and I was pleasantly surprised. You just never know with polygel like what you're gonna get, and I think that this polygel was like in the middle of soft and stiff. It was really easy to work with, but it didn't flood my cuticle. So yeah, this was the color changing one that I ended up using, that red. So pretty. And then here's the clear. I'm going to show you them uncured, and then we will cure them for 30 seconds and you'll see that red change to like a cute pink. Okay, I'm going to keep my nail prep in for any new subscribers. Hey girl. So I'm going to start with pushing back my cuticles, and then I'm going to take my file or buffer, remove the natural shine from each of the nails. And then I'm going to take my cuticle bit and e-file, remove all the dead skin around my cuticles, take your dehydrator and put that on your nail plate, and then take your primer. Young Nail suggests that you do at least 2 coats of this, so that's what I'm gonna do. After that, I'll take my base coat and I'll do a nice thin layer on each of my nails. This just protects your nails from any damage. Then I go a step further after curing and do a thin layer of the Beetles nail strengthener. If you guys can get this, I recommend it. It's amazing. And then the UNT peel off base coat. You have to let it dry for like 5 minutes after you apply it. It's awesome for people that do tutorials because your nails just pop off right when you're done.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So at first I was going to do a mix of the XXL Coffin and the XXL Stiletto nails like together, but look how like shorter the stiletto nail is compared to the Coffin, and they're both XXL. Like, it just bothers me. So I just go for all of the Coffin, and then I'm going to use the Chiaroscuro little mini lamp for this A-Press dupe. So first thing I'm going to do is start off by just applying this beautiful red polygel. I am doing the lazy girl method, as you can tell. You'll see as I am working this polygel, it's getting warmer, and so the color's changing. That's why it looks like that. Because I did the lazy girl method with this color changing polygel, it looks like I have a natural ombre pretty much all the time, because my nails are like, my hands, my body temperature is like warm, you know? And so since the polygel is touching my nail plate, it's like it's like an ombre because it's pink and then the rest is red. So it's so cute actually. I like how it turned out. Lazy Girl Method, you hardly need any polygel. I promise you literally need barely any. Compared to dual forms, you need a lot more because you're building up the nail, but with a Lazy Girl Method, you're not. So a little goes a long way. After you have all the polygel in there smoothed out nicely, you're then going to apply the full cover nail to your finger, girl. Then you're going to cure that, and then you're done. Like, you leave it on. Cool, huh? So yeah, each nail I do a little bit different thing. I had like a whole different look planned out, and then it didn't go as planned, so I had to throw some nail art. But that's the beauty of nail art, right? Like, I feel like that's why nail art was actually created, so that we could cover up our mess ups. So I do a little slanty nail. I cure that really quick and then go in with some gold leaf foil and just gently tap it in that little clear spot. I was just trying to be, you know, creative, cute, trying to show you guys that I have some skill, even though this takes no skill to do. This is literally beginner friendly. So you just apply that, and yeah, the Lazy Girl Method, like, it's really cool because the polygel like adheres to your nail, like it just sticks to your nail really nicely. So you don't really have to worry about it like sliding all around. That's if you have stiff, nice polygel like this polygel. If you have like really soft polygel, then it's gonna be sliding around your nail. You're probably not gonna like it. But try with stiffer polygel and it will be your friend. You'll love this method. This nail I'm going to be applying gold flakes, so that's why I go in with the base coat first so that the flakes have something to stick to, and then make sure you give that a little flash cure so that they don't move around. I did this on 2 nails, that look, and like you'll see right here, I forgot to flash cure it, so I do a really dumb move. Please don't copy what I'm about to do. I realized I didn't cure it, so I just hurried and cured it right there really quick, but what I did was like cured the polygel a little bit. Like, I knew I was gonna do that, and then it made it like kind of bumpy, weird to work with, so don't do that. But yeah, how are you guys? How is everybody? It's Halloween time's coming, fall's in the air. It's like it's actually cold where I live now. It's definitely hoodie season. I love it. I love fall clothes, fall fashion. It's my absolute favorite. So here are the nails all done. I'm going to wipe them off with some acetone and then file these babies with the Lazy Girl Method. You guys know you don't need too much filing. Sometimes you get a little bit of spillage out by your cuticle, so just file that up, clean that all up, and then buff all of the nails. And then we're gonna do the fun stuff. So I don't know what I was thinking with that white. I hate it though. I was trying to do like a little marble look. It did not come out. So I gotta cover that up. You guys, why did I do that? Like, do not do marble inside of the Lazy Girl Method. Do it on top because it does not work. So I put base coat and I put top coat really quick because I didn't know what I was gonna do. And when the color turns hot, it's pink. So like I had to go turn it red really quick in the water before I could really see the nail art, what I wanted to do. So that's why I'm doing top coat twice. So I'm taking these little LV stickers I got from the SXC bridal kit, and I'm just randomly applying them. Girl, I had to fix this nail. It was so bad, I know. I kind of saved it. I feel like it was like a little bit gaudy looking, that pointer finger, but I don't know. The rest were so cute, and that's why I'm just mad that I put that white in there, but it's all good. These stickers were really, really nice to work with. I love stickers better than water decals. They're just way easier to work with. And then I'm going to apply rhinestone glue on top of the nail. I'm not going to cure that. I'm going to take top coat, apply that, and then apply some rhinestones, and then I'll cure that. One of my subscribers, Katrina, she showed me this, and I'm so thankful for her. I'll never go back. It's so awesome. Another thing, so whenever like brands reach out to me, and especially ones I've never tried before, I like am really hesitant about trying their polygel because I want to have like a successful video. I don't want it to be a complete fail, but honestly, I recommend this polygel. I really liked it. I really recommend it. Like I said earlier, the polygel was more on the stiffer side, so it didn't flood. and I think that the color palette was really cute. So now we're going to do the cuticle oil and we're going to be done. Here is the warm version, and then I have to go put my hand in water for 5 minutes, freezing cold water, so I can get the red version. But let me know what you guys think. I hope you liked this tutorial. I love you guys so much. Thank you for trying to get to these videos, and I'll see you guys back in a couple of days for the next one. Bye.
And you've done your walking, probably enough for two. Oh, often you've had it rough, but you also had your coffee.